everyone, I'm Simrata and I'm an anchor here at Shop CJ.
How are you?
Hello, I'm good.
What are you doing?
Shooting a video.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry, it's okay. You know, it's a very, very cool and friendly place to work, and we would want to show you how really it is to work at Shop CJ.
Hi, I'm Dhruva. So, welcome to Shop CJ. Young and trendy, that's what we are. All our guys have a lot of fun, and girls. We have most of our employees are girls anyway. What do? We sell a lot of stuff. We sell a lot of fashion. We sell a lot of kitchen. Most importantly, I think we make shows that entertain people, that keep them engaged. Consumers love us. We've been doing this for 7 years. Let me sit at one of our IT guys' desks. Hey, I'm taking your seat. Okay. So this is what we do, and it's a lot of fun. I feel like coming to the office every day, and that's what all my employees tell me, that we love working here.
The potential is huge. It can be multi-billion-dollar industry in India, and it gives me a huge excitement to come to office and face a new challenge every day.
My name is Jinuk Seo. I'm from South Korea. I used to work in CJO Shopping, and also I have experience of working in other global countries like Vietnam, Turkey, China, and Mexico. Yeah, I joined this company 6 months back, and through the time I have realized that this company is very dynamic and very young.
Shop CJ is exactly a workplace where you need to be, where you love your work, where you love the people, and where you will like doing what you're doing.
The best part of Shop CJ is that there are no walls between departments. All departments are interdependent on each other, so you get to know many people than just people in your department. So it makes it a big, large family.
I must say that this is a great organization to work with because it gives you a lot of opportunities to show your creative sides. Here, people work as a team.
You have access to all the HOD. You will get great guidance from all the senior. We do not have a cabin culture.
The team spirit here is really strong. We are very determined to put together a good experience for users, for buyers.
Working with Shop CJ is one of the best platforms I could get.
Well, the infrastructure here at Shop CJ, it's world class.
Everything is available under the same roof.
World-class equipment, studio, and infrastructure. And this is as good as anywhere else in the global top companies.
This kind of setup is one of the best places to start your career. 3 call center, we have 4 warehouses where we operate this business. It is really dynamic business, and it is just because of the kind of technology we have. It helps us to understand this business to deliver better to consumer.
Hello, namaste, sat sri akal, adab.
Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to Shop CJ Tamil. Idu ungalukkaga.
Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Shop CJ Telugu.
Shop CJ Telugu. Meekosam. Shop CJ Tamil. Ungalukkaga.
And to add to the nuances of the beautiful and elegant styling arena that we have this awesome makeup and styling team, thank you, which gives us so many interesting clothes and just makes us feel happy and pretty.
So it is a proper place to work for a fashion techie, a fashion designer, or maybe a fashion retail guy. And I would say it could be my dream job actually. I would call it my dream job working in Shop CJ.
So my first day I joined the company, I went to Korea, and in Seoul, the headquarters of Shop CJ, the kind of studios and infrastructure I saw, that's when I realized how huge home shopping is back there. And in India, at this point of time, we have just touched a fraction of that potential.
CJO is a very big company and it has its establishments in around 13 countries. The head office being Korea, South Korea, Seoul. And we as a team got an opportunity to travel to Korea to visit the head office there, and we must say that it was a pleasing experience.
And not many companies give you a chance to travel abroad and go somewhere to a different country, understand the products there and the freedom of sourcing products from there. But this company, it really respects your abilities and your understanding of products.
Don't ask, you know. Well, all work and no play makes you so dull. But we at Shop CJ are not at all dull. We're not at all boring. We're so much fun, and work here is just fun and fun.
Unless you're having fun at work. Yes, everybody here works hard. They work very, very hard. I don't even have to tell them. They're all driven because they enjoy what they do. But they have fun. Every day, a little bit of fun. Some of it organized, some of it could just be a flash mob. That's what Shop CJ is. So that's what we are, having a lot of fun at work.
4 years of globalized career, why don't you join this company? So I'm looking forward to seeing you as a colleague at Shop CJ.
Why should you look at Shop CJ as a career? If you want to do something that goes on national television, you want your product to go on national television, touching 100 million homes out of the about 150 to 200 million homes that cable and satellite reach, then Shop CJ is the place you need to look at.
So what can I say? Shop CJ is a very cool place to work. But you know what? Don't take it from us. Experience it yourself.